In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI thumbnails for Valorant videos. To do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI, and once you arrive here, you need to go to the image section, and we're going to use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we are going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section, and now here, where it says title, we're going to put the title of our video. For example, Valorant gameplay with my friends. Now, in the text overlay, this is the text that is going to appear in the thumbnail. For example, here it was the best game. So now let's put the same, the best game, for example. Now in reference image, we can upload an image of reference. Actually, I recommend you to do it, but for this tutorial, I don't have any reference image of this game. So let's erase this. And you will see that the result, even without reference image, is really good. So now let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect! Here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails is amazing. So if you want to try this platform to do thumbnails like this one, I want to tell you that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1, this if you are a new user. So well, see you in the next video.